Question number 1. Dash out the example of high energy, high nutrient food. The correct answer of that question is option C, milk and cheese. Question number 2. Which nutrients provide the most amount of energy per gram? The correct answer of that question is option B, fats. Question number 3. Dash is the energy needed to digest and absorb nutrients from food. The correct answer is option A, thermic effect of food. Question number 4. Taller and bigger people need dash energy than shorter and smaller people. The correct answer is option B, more. Question number 5. Dash increase the risk of diet-related disease. The correct answer is option D, obesity. Question number 6. Obesity is caused by an increase in. The correct answer of that question is option A, adipocytes. Question number 7. Vitamins are. The correct answer of that question is option B, micronutrients. Question number 8. The chemical name of vitamin B is. The correct answer is option A, thiamine. Question number 9. Scientific name of vitamin K is. The correct answer is option D, phytonadione. Question number 10. Which vitamin is required for vision and dim lights? The correct answer of that question is option C, vitamin A. Question number 11. Which vitamin is required for calcium absorption from the smaller intestine? The correct answer of that question is option B, vitamin D. Question number 12. Which vitamin is a major lipid-soluble antioxidant in cell membrane? The correct answer is option A, vitamin E. Question number 13. Which vitamin is required for synthesis of the blood clotting protein? The correct answer is option D, vitamin K. Question number 14. Which of the following is a water-soluble vitamin? The correct answer of that question is option D, all of the above. Question number 15. Which vitamin is required for the absorption of calcium from the gut? The correct answer of that question is option C, vitamin D. Question number 16. Which vitamin increases the absorption of iron from the gut? The correct answer of that question is option A, vitamin C. Question number 17. Thiamine deficiency lead to. The correct answer of that question is option A, beriberi. Question number 18. Pantothenic acid is important for which of the following step or pathways? The correct answer of that question is option A, fatty acid synthesis. Question number 19. Biotin is involved in which type of reaction? The correct answer of that question is option B, carboxylation. Question number 20. Which of the following vitamin can be synthesized by human? The correct answer of that question is option B, vitamin A. Question number 21. Vitamin B12 is involved in the formation of coenzyme. The correct answer of that question is option B, FMN, FAD. Question number 22. Which of the following vitamins are produced by symbiotic bacteria in human? The correct answer is option D, vitamin B and K. Question number 23. Ricket is caused due to the deficiency of. The correct answer of that question is option C, vitamin D. Question number 24. Niacin is the chemical name of which vitamin? The correct answer of that question is option D, vitamin B3. Question number 25. The last one, name the vitamin which are essential for the health of the brain. The correct answer of that question is option D, all of these.